Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use motion blur and CapCut. Okay, first things first, open CapCut and start a new project. Select the videos or images you want to work with, and you can even use stock videos from CapCut. To add motion blur, just tap on a video, swipe to the right, and select motion blur, represented by a little running person icon. Adjust then the motion blur and blend settings to control the intensity of the blur effect. You can then also tap the question mark icon for explanations if needed. Apply motion blur to other clips by recreating the process that we have discussed. After that, just preview your work by hitting the play button and you'll notice smoother transitions between clips. When satisfied, just save or export your project. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use motion blur and CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.